With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question says hexacanth reaches, given options are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles, or none of the above. Okay, so let's start our discussion with the hexacanth. So hexacanth is the larval stage. Larval stage of what? Of pork tapeworm. Okay. Now this pork tapeworm is an endoparasite and it lives in human intestine. Okay. Now this tapeworm enters in pig. This tapeworm enters in pig when the pig feeds on, when it feeds on the garbage or human excreta. Human excreta which has oncospheres. All right. Now these oncospheres, they are released in the intestine of pigs. Where are they released? In the intestine of pigs. Okay. Now the shell, it gets dissolves and the hexacanth larva is liberated. When it gets inside the intestine, okay, when it is released in the intestine of the pigs, so what happens? That the shell it gets dissolved. All right. And when it gets dissolved, the hexacanth, the hexacanth larva, it gets liberated. All right. Now the hexacanth larva, it is activated with the help of bile salts. Okay. Activated with the help of bile salts. And later on, what happens that the hexacanth larva, it enters the hepatic veins, hepatic portal vein. I'll explain you over here. So when now it is dissolved, the shell is dissolved. Now hexacanth has been liberated with the help of the bile salts. Now when it is liberated in the intestine of the pig, now it goes from intestine. It goes to the hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. All right. It enters the hepatic portal vein. Now through this hepatic portal vein, it reaches where? It reaches to the liver. Now when it reaches the liver, from here, it goes to the heart. Okay. It reaches the heart through what? It reaches the heart through post-caval vein. All right. After reaching to the heart, it goes to the voluntary muscles. Where does it goes? It goes to the voluntary muscles of the pig. All right. Now it has reached to the voluntary muscles of the pig. All right. Now, generally what happens that the hexacanth settles in the voluntary muscles of, what kind of voluntary muscles? Of the tongue, elbows, neck, and limbs. So these are the favorite places, we can say, for the hexacanth to settle down in the voluntary muscles of the pig. All right. But sometimes what happens that it may also enter, it may also enter other organs such as lungs, kidneys, eyes, brain, etc. All right. So these are other organs which can also be get affected. All right. So now hexacanth loses its hook in the voluntary muscles. So where does it loses its hooks? Like where does it get completely settled down and where does it start attacking? So over here in the voluntary muscles, the hexacanth loses the hook. All right, of the pig, and it develops into cysticercus larva, right? Now over there, it develops into cysticercus larva. So from the given options, we can say that option number 1, that is voluntary muscles, where hexacanth reaches in the final position, is the correct answer over here. I hope I have solved the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.